Okay, so we'll look into this question. Again, a silly question. A train 150 meters long traveling at 75 km per hour overtakes another train with 45 km per hour in 30 seconds. See, one thing we need to understand, that I'm assuming that these trains are, you're traveling in the same direction. Okay, basically I'm just taking this as a case. Nothing has been mentioned, so you can actually take another case and solve it. So you can probably take a case where they're meeting in from the opposite directions, right? So suppose this is that train which is 150 meters long, traveling at the rate of 75 kilometers per hour. The other train that is in the picture is, I don't know, that train is x meters long, and it takes 45 kilometers, per hour ka speed. Okay, so the relative speed is 75 minus, that is 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, now what is the total length of the trains? X plus 150. So this is the gap, the time taken to fill the gap. Okay, time taken to fill the gap. Either you can do this lingo, or you can also say time taken to meet. X plus 150 plus the relative speed, which is, remember 30 is the kilometer per hour, so this is this thing, and this is given to us that the overtaking happens in 30 seconds. So if I do a little bit of maths, I'll be, so this 18 will go, or maybe let's just wait. Okay, so what I will do is I'll just expand the entire thing. So let's just do that. So this will become 18 times x plus 150, that is equal to 30 into 5. Okay, now this is 10 and this is 6. Now this becomes 6x plus 6 5s are 30, 90, 900. Yep, is equal to 300 into 5, 1500. 1500 minus 500 is 1000. 1000 minus 400 is 600. So 600 is equal to 6x. This implies that x is equal to 100. Now understand that this is the length of the train. So in how many seconds does the first train passes the passenger sitting in the second train? Okay, so somebody who is sitting in the second train is a point object. The amount of time that the first one will take to cross that person will be 150 by 75, which is going to be 150 by 75 into 5 by 18. This is the 18 goes to the numerator. Okay, 0, 3 10s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 25, 5 5 5s are 5 2s are, and that's it. So 36 by 5. So how many 36 by 5? Yeah, 36 by 5. So how many 7s are 35, 2s are 10. So 7.2 seconds, and the length of the train is, find the length of the slower train is 100 meters and the time is 7.2 seconds. Okay, thank you.